Hey, YouTube friends. It is July 22nd, and it's about 4 p.m., and Minnesota is having what they are calling a blizzard. Malloy's school got out 2 hours early. Actually, our whole city. Schools in surrounding areas just canceled school today altogether. And it's a lot of snow. And it's going to keep on coming. They're saying up to 18 inches. And it's just blowing around like crazy. So we're going to be stuck indoors for a while. Say a prayer for all the people driving here. This is going to be crazy. I just wanted to show you guys quick, and I'll probably do an update video because in a couple hours it's going to be about double this. So pretty crazy. Minnesota winters are back how they used to be when I was a kid, it looks like. Hope you guys are all doing good. Happy Monday.